Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai i30. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation destination. To set navigation destination, let's go to settings and let's go to navigation and go to destination. Select from address, POIs or other. Now enter country, city, street and house number. Set up this destination and it's done.
Starting route guidance.
To stop navigation route, let's go to menu and select stop guidance. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.